Good morning everyone, welcome to Kiwiana. Today we're going to go for a little walk up Mount Wellington. So at the top of the hill it's an old volcano. We want to do this one for a little while, just easy little walk. What's up my hat? A bit cold today, getting into our winter months, so heading towards that time. Used to be able to drive up here, now you got to walk. But yeah, so this mountain here actually gets arsened quite a lot. A lot of people seem to set on fire. But we're going to go for a little walk up here and see, I'll show you the cool view when we get to the top. Good place to social distance. That is my suburb. Pretty built up. Lovely blue autumn's day. So as we head to the summit, so down there's the crater. We'll go this way first and then we'll take you to the crater. A lot of people out doing exercise today, which is good. People enjoying the awesome autumn weather. Wait till we get there, I'll come back to you when we get up closer. Then we go over there, and then we're going to go down there. Well, I've always got to get up these tracks here. It's probably terrible audio, because my finger's probably blocking all the sounds. Cool, okay. Now the view from where I am now. Just make my way up to the summit before I go down to the crater and show you the crater part. This is Mount Wellington and Pamir. The little waterway there goes to Peperanga. Incredible view though. View's amazing. Nice cool breeze up here. I don't think I'd say that, but I think it's wearing a toto, maybe over that way. I'm not very good with geography stuff. Main city. How's it looking over there? There's Sky Town in the distance. If I zoom in too much, it just goes blurry. Then you go around. Got the crater down that way, and the summit part up there, truck station, and bada bing bada boom, right here. How's that? Nice clouds in the sky. So blue, isn't it? So blue. Bit of a funny story. 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago, when I moved to Auckland, my brother showed me this place, and it was quite late at night, maybe like midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. We came up here and we walked a long way, but we had a few drinks. You know, we were sitting up here at the top of the truck station and my brother must have slipped. Harry, if you watch this, you remember that. Maybe. And he rolled down the hill to the crater or something. And you could hear some yelling out for help. So I ran down there trying to find him. I just watched some randomers like found footage movies the night before. So I ran down there looking for him. And because he's down there, it sounded like his voice was echoing, so it looked like he was up in the hills here. And I was just freaking out like he was a double bagger or something. You know, I spent ages looking for him. And I found him like right there on this track. Somehow he cut from like the truck station into the crater and all the way back up here somehow. And I was still in a crater looking for him. It was kind of scary, I ain't gonna lie. I was kind of freaking out a little bit. Yeah, I thought I'd share that while I was up here. On another note though, we'd made it to the truck station. Thank you very much. We have made it. So shaky when I don't use the other mode, but it's the only mode I can do that I can zoom in. That beautiful thing. Good old truck station, whatever you guys call them in your countries. We call them truck stations. Guess it pings off south. Actually don't know what that is, but pretty sure it's a truck station. You know, it looks to have nothing on it. Look at that, man. There you go, that's my question. It is a survey mark. Good to know. Cool. Look at that view from here though, it's crazy. Focus up, phone. That view is insane. You know, I've got a head rush. That is an exceptional view. It's surrounded by water. There's a lot of houses and businesses down there. Probably a better view from before. Nice blue water down there. Below me is the crater. I'm pretty sure it's Rangitoto, might be wrong though. This way. Enjoying that view as we go. It's actually not that big walk really, but it's a good walk. So we're going to go down there. Down here is the old crater, our Mount Wellington crater. So you can actually probably get a better view from over there, I'm not sure. But we're going to walk into there. There's an old volcano. Look at lonely tree stump just sitting there. See down there, you see the lava rock. Let's go have a look. Hey guys, so we've walked all the way down there, we've walked around the summit, or the crater top. Now we're going to go down to the crater. Last time I brought you here, it was not long after my back issue was really bad. And I said I'd come back, it's like 2 years ago. I've still got the same back issues, but now I can deal with it a lot more, I guess. That's cool rock features here though. Give that some light or something. Be able to see it with glass off. The beautiful light features there anyway, it's pretty cool. Make way down. So peaceful in here. Have all the wind. It's a viewing platform. And it bright ass sun, so I can't see what I'm showing you right now. I'm just gonna make our way down here. Let's go, everyone. Okay, sorry about the view on my feet. I'm trying to hold out there so you can see. Look at these old rocks though. These are pretty cool. Oh, pretty cool rocks. Lava rocks, whatever you call them. It's pretty awesome. Kind of warm when you're out of the breeze. How many times have I done that today? Not hit record. Okay, so you didn't see me about it. So we just walked down that track behind me. All these. So now we're inside the crater. So all the old crater rocks and stuff, lava rocks, which is pretty awesome. Head around here. Hope I'm not blocking the sound. I don't know if you can see anything, or how I can see it. So now we're inside the crater, right at the bottom of it. I have to get some information of like when this blew up. It went a long time ago. I know New Zealand's got quite a lot of volcanoes around it. A lot of little volcanoes, I think. So we're all around that summit. So we came down. Oh shit, sorry about swearing. I can't see, so dark. Now here, I guess is the middle that somebody dug out. Somebody dug like a little pit, which is cool. Looks like that horrible thorny stuff. So peaceful. Somebody took a long time to build this up. That's pretty awesome actually. If I come here, that is proper cool actually. You know how long it took someone to like do all this? A little bit. I hope everyone else's lockdown's going okay. I don't know if you're on still on level 4 or level 3 or what level you're on now. I know some places still doing it quite tough. And people are going a little bit cray for being locked up for so long. It is for the best though, and I'm glad that like we did it quite tough in New Zealand. Like it was maybe 6-7 weeks, or like maybe 5, I think maybe like 5-6 weeks. You know, everybody agreed to it, but I think it was brilliant. I mean, We've got no new cases, no new anything like that. I think Jacinda done an incredible job. And I take my hat off to her. She's done amazing. Anyway, it's not public credit. Just want to say, anyway, if you are in your lockdown still or anything like that, try to stay motivated, try to stay chill. It's not going to last forever. Soon later you're going to be out again enjoying the wilderness and everything else you love. You get to see your friends and family again. It's a small sacrifice for the bigger picture. Okay, turns out there's another crater here. What the hell was the other thing I walked into then? Maybe this one's the main crater. No, I don't even know. This is where my brother fell down there and we had to sit behind him. It was pretty funny. So I guess this is crater number 2. Don't know if volcanoes had 2 craters, but I guess so. Okay, let's go have a look check this one out. Walking down the hill. Don't lose my keys. Look, these cool rocks. The rocks are pretty awesome. They're like a really cool, like reedy brown colour. That's pretty awesome. Scattered everywhere. So peaceful. I keep getting head rush because I stand up too fast. Look at that. I'd love to see it. So peaceful. These awesome rocks. They're like so light. Probably doesn't like focusing on these ones. Look how far that comes down. All the way. From way up there. Starts there. All the way down. There's a lot of rocks. Alright everyone. I'll walk back out of here. Go up there. Hello. I hope you enjoyed that video. I know it wasn't much. Bit of history around my local suburb. I have to put the proper name on it. No. I just read it before. My name is really, my memory is terrible for remembering names, especially Māori names. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. We'll see you on next Saturday or Sunday. Thanks so much for watching. Ciao. Let's look at that steep actually. Let's walk back up there. That is proper steep. Oh man, it's quite a long way down. Get my breath again. Some good old sparrows, look like that. Right, you little sparrow. What's your little guy? What's he eating? Run until pigeons run. I let them enjoy the little break. Alright, then one more view here. Then I'm done. Hope you enjoy the video in here. It's been fun. So shaky. Had a good walk. You say you should be able to drive up here. Then they locked the gate so you can only walk up here now. I guess it's to like preserve it, which is actually a good idea. This is a view of that little suburb down there. Just sitting down there nestled. Big city behind it. A nice pan of the city. Suburb stuff. Get out of here.